Good morning, dear learners. How are you all? Hope that you all are good. Okay, so let's start today's computer class. As in our previous classes, we had completed till the use of fill with color tool. Till here we have completed. Okay, and I have shown you that how we can use the curve tool and how we can fill color in any picture. Okay, so let's move ahead in the chapter. Next topic we have selecting the foreground color. So see, in any image we can select two kinds of color. First is the foreground color, means the front color, and second is the background color. Okay, so first let's talk about how to set the foreground color for an image. Click on color 1 tab. Okay, and then click on red color. In the colors group you can choose any color from this colors palette which you want as the foreground color. You can choose any color. Now select the fill with color tool and fill the boat with that color. Okay, so they're asking if you want to fill, if you want to fill your boat, this boat. Okay, they are giving example of filling color in this boat. Okay, so if you want to fill color in boat, so you can choose foreground color red and then choose this fill with color bucket and click wherever you want to fill that color. Okay, selecting the background color, click on color 2 and then click on yellow color in colors group and select it as background color. So and now again select the fill with color tool and right click on the background part of the screen. Okay, so it will be filled with blue color. Okay, now next topic is how we can add text in any picture. If you want to write anything in your picture, like here in this picture you all can see है ना, इस a picture of a candy, right? And यहाँ पे text भी given है. Okay, so if you want to add text in your picture, so for that what you have to do, see, in this toolbox there is an option where you can find the letter A. Okay, it is called the text tool. By clicking on this tool you can select the text tool and just click wherever you want to type, wherever you want to write anything. Okay, click on that place and then type the text which you want to write. Okay, so you can write anything in your picture, and if you want to write in blank space, means if you want to write like this picture is made by, created by your name, these kinds of text you can add in your picture. Okay, now let's come to the exercise part. So today we are going to complete these fill in the blanks, true and false, and MCQs part only. Okay, question answers we will be doing in next class. So let's start with fill in the blanks. Program is used to make colorful drawing. Which program is used? Paint. Okay, paint is a program which is used to make colorful drawings. A contains tools arranged in different group. Okay, what contains different kinds of tools? The tabs contain, tab contains different kinds of tools, है ना. tools are arranged on a tab. ठीक है, उस जो एक ग्रुप है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? टैब बोलते हैं. ओके, थर्ड इज covers the major part of the drawing window. What covers the major part of the drawing window? Drawing area. Drawing area, canvas, it covers the major part of paint window. Paint window का जो एक बड़ा हिस्सा है उसमें क्या होता है? ड्राइंग एरिया रहता है. Okay, fourth is tool is used to draw free form lines or curves. So if we want to draw free form, so for that we can choose pencil tool. Okay, using pencil tool we can draw free form, freehand we can draw. Last is tool is used for filling colors in a drawing. So I hope you all knows fill with color tool is used to fill colors in a drawing. Okay, now let's come to the true and false part. A curve can be modified only 3 times. It is false because we can modify curve 2 times only. ठीक है, we can modify any curve 2 times only, not 3 times. So first one will be, it will be false. Second is the pencil tool is used to draw only straight lines. It is also false because the pencil tool is not used to draw only straight lines. We can draw any kind of lines. We can draw curves also using pencil tool. So second also false. Third is the color 1 button is used to show the foreground color. It is correct. Okay, right now we have learned about it. In MCQs, first is button contains different option to work in paint. So which button contains different options to work in paint? Right answer is the paint button. It contains different options to work in paint. Second is in which group the pencil tool present? Okay, pencil, in which group pencil tool is present? Pencil tool कहाँ पर होता है? Like यहाँ पे टाइप्स के नेम्स लिखे हुए हैं ग्रुप्स के, टूल्स ग्रुप, शेप्स ग्रुप, कलर्स ग्रुप. सो पेंसिल टूल इज प्रेजेंट इन टूल्स ग्रुप. फर्स्ट वन. ओके. थर्ड इज द सेट ऑफ रिलेटेड कमांड्स. व्हाट इज़ द सेट ऑफ रिलेटेड कमांड्स? कमांड्स मीन्स जो एक तरह के कमांड्स होते हैं, टूल बटन्स होते हैं, वो कहाँ पर अरेंज्ड होते हैं? ग्रुप्स में, टैब्स में या रिबन में? सो द राइट आंसर इज़ ग्रुप हेयर, है ना. जो सेम काइंड्स के टूल्स होते हैं वो कहाँ पर ग्रुप्ड होते हैं? एक ग्रुप में होते हैं. जैसे कि पेन, जो एडिटिंग वाले हैं वो सारे टूल्स में होते हैं, कलर वाले कलर्स उसमें होते हैं, ग्रुप में होते हैं. ओके, तो ये ग्रुप्स में रहते हैं. इज़ द इन विच ग्रुप द कर्व टूल इज़ प्रेजेंट? कर्व टूल किस ग्रुप में होता है? टूल्स में तो होता नहीं है, इमेज में भी नहीं होता, शेप्स में होता है ना. शेप्स में हमारे पास लाइंस भी होते हैं, कर्व्स भी होते हैं और अदर शेप्स भी होते हैं. तो इन फोर्थ वन द राइट आंसर इज शेप्स. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल कंप्लीट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. Revise the topic and complete the given exercise. Take care of yourselves. Bye.